Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at localizing some of the various texts that we have throughout our application. So you may have noticed as we were progressing through some of our exercises that things don't look exactly the way that they should. We see things like edit dash assignment and error dot assignment title format and so on. And as we've kind of foreshadowed or as we've kind of alluded to, we're going to be taking care of these things, and we're going to be taking care of these things in this exercise. So what we're going to be doing is creating a file that's going to contain all of these keys, things like edit dash assignment, and we'll be providing the values of those keys within the file. So let's take a look at this. So heading back over to Liferay Developer Studio, we're going to be within our gradebook web. Let's do a little bit of cleanup really quick, closing out everything, and we'll minimize some of these folders just to keep clean. So we're going to head over to our portlet component. This is the gradebook portlet. And here in the gradebook portlet, we're looking here specifically on line number 24, which is designating a specific resource bundle or file that's going to be containing all of our key value pairs for those keys that we saw earlier. And so this is all going to be contained in language.properties. You've seen this before, but let's go ahead and head back over there. So this is under source main resources, under content, and then language.properties. Here within language.properties, we've already set a number of keys back a little bit ago in a different video. And this is where we're going to be setting some more keys. So the first thing that we want to do with the language.properties is to make sure that the settings of the file is set accordingly. So we want to make sure that this file is encoded using UTF-8. So we'll right click followed by properties on that language.properties and then switch things out. So we'll select other, click on the drop down to select UTF-8. So once you have that, go ahead and click apply and close, solidifying those changes that we have just made. Let's go ahead and click yes. Next up, we're going to head over to our materials. Right, we're here in add localization resources, and we'll go ahead and take from our first snippet. We'll go ahead and take that. I'll highlight everything and then replace it with the snippet. So you can see there's a lot going on here. So one of the easy ones is category.training. Before I refresh the page here, actually I have to refresh. I've been logged out. So you can see already once I've refreshed, edit has changed, test, and then test 1. And then when I click on the plus button under widgets, we see Liferay training is the category. So again, throughout our JSPs, throughout our application, we've provided what I'll call a key here on the left-hand side. And then the value here is in the language.properties. So you can explore around your instance of Liferay to kind of see some other aspects as well. If you wanted to provide localization, what you can do is create some more language.property files using the designated region key. Like if you're using German, you'll use language_DE, or if you're using Spanish, language_ES. And once you switch to those languages, they would be picked up. So that wraps it up for this video, and I will see you in the next video.